and then I am going to key it for 60 seconds. Okay. And the next design, we're gonna do that. Look at that, the effects. It looks like a bubble though. Here, let me see. This looks like a bubble. Bubbling. It looks cool though. 10 different designs. I can't wait. Tomorrow we're gonna do like 4 more. And the next day we're gonna do 2 more. And then we're gonna do a peacock. So many of customers were asking for this. It was especially on the treasure box. But this is ready for you on the website for you to check it out. Peacock, I can't wait to design with this. We did it before, we can do it again. And Sarah did one of her videos, beautiful as well. If you have time to check it out with the Sarah and Brad and Vicky, they doing a beautiful job and really stunning design on each live video as well. Sarisa, hey, okay, great. I'm gonna place this one right here. Is it 60 seconds, yeah? Okay. Great, I can see that it's stick already for me. Okay, I am using iHo transfer foil, which is the white bottle right here. It should give a good like rub on, pressures on. It's already transfer. You know what? It's great. Check the lamp for me. How many bar there? 2 bar?
2.
See? So great. I am going to check it, and I'm so glad that it's happened. It just get a little bit on the edges. When it had 2 bar of that, you can see that this one has been missing. It's not gonna key it for me. So I'm not worried about it. But if I lay, okay, so here's a good difference of how you can get that. Let's hold this one, and I am going to using a premium's iHo. Because when you're doing it under, I said it proper here, it means that it have a really good chalks or the lamp. So I'm using my premium's iHo transfer foil. And I want to tap it right there. This one is good. Is one of my books on the size. It's quick. Okay, here for 30 seconds only. I'm going to show the difference because with this one is really fast. 30 seconds under any LED lamp. Under circumstance it was lay on it, but I'm so glad that you mentioned so then we can see it. This one it have to be clear 60 seconds and under really good lamp. Probably chalks is good. It's if it like plug in, I mean if it rechargeable. Sometimes with my lamp is rechargeable. If I doing it, great tip and trick too I want to share with you, and if you want to take a note. So when you do place crystal placements and then the lamp is a rechargeable lamp, and make sure you check it, then it might not keying properly and it make the crystal placement is not going to stay on. I'm gonna line them up and it did transfer completely for me. Yep, that's the 30 second. 30 second is my cool rescue. Really cool and fast. And hook it any under LED lamp. Great. It doesn't bother me. I just have a little bit spot here so I can show you the difference. So that's your choice, which one you want to pick. Usually after I have more time and then the lamp is being 100% clear, I mean chalks, I will go with the iHose. It's great, you know. So go into my condensed glue gels. This is really thick density, so it's normal when you feel it the first time you pick them. You pick up the transfer for the condensed glue gels, and you feel really thick density. and it's normal when you feel like this. And if you're first time using condensed glue gels, I hope condensed glue gels, you can feel that as well. So don't hesitate to just blend it out nicely. You don't want to be lumpy bumpy, so you blend it out. And then top coat, no white top coat. Oh, so if you want to have the matte top coat, then instead of shiny top coat, you're going to apply the matte on the top. If you're doing it, then you'll put the matte right on the top. Sorry, Instagram. For a second, we couldn't see you. It's an hour already. I feel like when you love what you're doing, the time like just flying so fast. Hey Instagram, welcome back. Sorry, we hit a maximum of 60 minutes already, so then they won't let us hang out together. And I am back. Hey Jessica, Nuna, thank you so much. Okay. At some point, Instagram need to change that because we can't hang out together for an hour and talking about nail art. Is the art gonna be enough time for us to crash? Just talking about that, Facebook is out right there.
No, you're good.
No, it's right there. Oh my God. Everything is gonna turn away from me today, but it's okay. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna still be here, cool, calm, and crystal it. No white top coat on the top, floating on the top of condensed glue gel will really gonna be your bestie for crystal placement. So, diamond shield, here you go. And then silver beads. I am going back to basic, everyone. Well, I don't know, back to basic. I keep saying back to basic, but I will never being settled for less. I always want more. Everybody related. Sometimes I feel goofy and I will say, okay, I'm just doing that simple. And turn around, our nail is just so blinged up. I know. Oh, this one is really nice. So how do you place the crystals nice? And you can do is the closer, the tighter there it is, it's gonna be better. And I'll place usually the bigger and smaller. And I'm gonna using that tiny little one. I believe it's using size SS4. I love SS4 and SS3. I don't know it's about you, but SS3 and SS4 is really like you can work and you can place them anyway and have them place them between the big crystals, bigger size of crystal. I mean, it was like make it looks fuller and make it looks complete. Oh, I get one of ruby rose. Where does that come from? These are cute, but I feel so like little. I don't know. Should I stop right here? Good. Okay, let me put this on and see how it is. Yeah. I promised myself I'm gonna do back to basic today, but I kind of doubt about that. Is everybody is like all my staff said, Miss Nancy, you always trick on me. You say that you're gonna do a simple, but you will never settle for less. Either you go big or you go home. So where and when is a good spot to place your beads? You can place them between each crystal or between the bigger stone. They looks either way, it looks good. Okay, so with this one, if the clients that you're doing it, this one's in $10 or $15 for this now, but if the clients want to bling out $20, you can bling them out more. All right, I'm waiting for every single of you to tell me what to do next. Should I do more? Should I be good to go? Well, since Instagram give me an hour, I can be here, blings everything's out. But then we're not gonna be able to see our channel 4. It's like ghostly vibes because we're gonna cover everything up. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna read your comments right now and tell me if I should. You should like, good Nancy, just doing it like this and call it good, and you can go home and watch like Tiger King again. Or else I'll be here with you until like 4 hours. And I love it. Every time if I have a headaches before and I'm going live, my headaches go away. I don't need any like Tylenol or Advil or whatever it is. It's my therapy's time. Oh, I think I have one more. Oh, it looks good. Not bad. Hey, thanks so much, Miss Corina. Beautiful work. You can do this one or you can do it backward on the... Okay, I'm good on that part, but let's see what I'm gonna do it right here. I'm looking at some of the good size, maybe size 8, SS8. Can you get me some more?
Okay.
Right there. I have it right here. I have a whole travel pack. Oh, too big. So goofy, everyone. I said, wait a minute.
Don't know what you have on that.
It's funny, okay? You wanna hear this story? I always like that. I want like flashy and a lot of like a bling bling. My younger sister, my older sister, or my sister, I don't know. Like I'm a middle one. I'm a lost child, whatever you call. But I always liked like a bling bling since I was little. But I'm growing up really like a tomboy. Like I don't wear dress until I'm like age of 18 when I go to college. Is that funny? But I love beauty. I love hair, makeups and stuff. And nails, I would my mom's give me money for snacks, school snack. Instead of me buying a snack, I would buy all my toys, my nail polish. And I started playing and painting it since I was like 4th grade. Right? But I'm not really artistic. I just love it. As whatever you can call. Okay, I think it's good. And my mom's give me money. Then I'll save that to buy all my nail polishes very soon. I had a whole collection of a really cute nail polish at home. The kids in my neighborhood, they love to hang out with me because I have a lot of nail polish and a lot of fun things to play, to the point that my dad will mix, he's like handmade the whole box of it so they can put my toys and my nail polish and my stuff in there when I was little. But my sister, all my 3 other sisters, they're so simple, really elegant, and the way I dress my kids is like, it's really colorful. Like it was Easter time when they was little, I dressed them up really nice, and like flowers and stuff. And my sister, she's live in France. It's good, so I'll be happy with this. Oh my god, I really like it though. Okay, good. Hold on, give me 1 second. Sorry everyone. 2 bling. There you go.